Hey all, and welcome to my channel or Irish family. Today I'm going to be cleaning my microwave with some white vinegar and water. So into this I'm adding 1.5 cups of water, followed by half a cup of white vinegar.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.
You then set the timer on the microwave to 5 minutes.
Breathing in, hold tight, hold tight.
Once the microwave has complete, I leave the mixture inside for another 2 or 3 minutes just to let the steam break down the dirt a little bit further.
The skies, all because of you. Dripping light.
When removing the dish, make sure you use a dish towel as it is quite hot. Then all you need to do is remove the inside plate and get to cleaning. I just use a sponge to wipe down and take away all of the dirt and grime.
Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
I then use a paper towel just to remove any of the wetness in the microwave.
Because of you, dripping lights paint the sky.
It's now time to clean the outside of the microwave, and what I have done is put the hot water and vinegar mixture that was inside the microwave onto my sponge, and I'm cleaning the outside of the microwave with that mixture.
Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me.
To clean the plate, as you can see, I just poured the white vinegar and hot water mixture on it and just made sure to remove all the dirt. So this is how I clean my microwave with white vinegar and some water. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!